In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for HR. We're diving into a step-by-step guide that will help you streamline your HR processes and make the most out of Monday.com. To start off, you'll want to plan your HR scope. It's best to decide initially which HR processes need tracking. Keeping it simple is key, so you may want to focus on essentials like an employee directory, recruitment, onboarding checklists, time off requests, and performance reviews. Other important areas might include training or learning and development, offboarding, and an HR help desk. Once you've determined the areas you'll focus on, it's time to create the core boards that will act as your foundation. For instance, an employees board serves as the single source of truth for your workforce information. You can organize employees into groups such as active, on leave, or contractors, and include columns for critical details like employee ID, start date, and status. Setting up automations here can be useful, such as notifying HR and managers when a start date arrives or creating onboarding tasks. The recruitment hiring board reflects your candidate funnel, with stages from new to hired or rejected. You should have columns to capture the candidate's name, resume, and interviews, and forms can help streamline the application process. Automations can save you time, like creating an entry in the employees board once someone is hired. For onboarding, set up a checklist board for tasks like pre-start and day one activities. You can also automate assigning tasks when a new hire's details are added. On the time off and attendance board, employees can submit requests through forms, and you can automate notifications to the approvers when requests come in or are approved. Moving to performance reviews, categorize them based on their status: upcoming, in progress, or completed. This setup helps ensure that evaluations are not missed. Here, automations such as notifying reviewers ahead of time can be a lifesaver. For training and development, track the progress of each course and automate updates to training records. An offboarding checklist ensures nothing gets overlooked during an employee's exit. This could include tasks like knowledge transfer and equipment return, initiated automatically once an employee's status changes to terminated. In terms of HR requests, a public form can handle queries from employees, routing them to the appropriate party and automatically notifying the requester. While Monday.com offers many predefined columns, you can enhance your boards with advanced options like connect boards and formulas, which link data or calculate fields automatically. Ultimately, you want to build dashboards that provide clear HR insights. Your dashboard could include widgets for headcount, hiring funnel metrics, and leave calendars. Consider integrating tools like Google Calendar for syncing schedules or Slack for team communications. Keeping in mind what suits your current software setup, starting with calendar and notification integrations can rapidly add value by keeping everyone informed. By implementing these steps, you'll streamline your HR processes and make the best use of Monday.com.